straight to Mumbai, where we're getting in the live pictures from outside the NIA office. Anytime now, we're hearing that the NIA teams will search those cars that were brought in. 2 more luxury SUVs were brought in a few minutes back. As the story gets more and more interesting, a black color SUV that was brought in to the NIA office a little after 5 p.m. and a second SUV, super SUV, that's a Toyota Land Cruiser Prado, reportedly seized from Sachin Vaze's residence in Thane. And going straight to Alisha and Yesha joining us live with more details. Alisha, Yesha, stories getting more and more interesting. We have breaking news now that 2 more cars are being searched for by the NIA. We are being told it's a blue Mercedes-Benz and another Skoda. Well, it's turning out to be more interesting. 5 cars already at the NIA being investigated. 2 more are being searched for. Alisha, I'll come to you with that information first and then go across to Yesha.
देखिए बिल्कुल निरंजन, पहले तो सीधे तस्वीरें हम आपको एनआईए ऑफिस का दिखाते हैं, जहां पर अब तीन नहीं पर 4 गाड़ी यहां पर मौजूद है, जिसमें से एक जो है मर्सिडीज बेंज जो कि लाई गई थी यहां पर, उससे पहले इनोवा लाई गई थी और अब आज देख रहे हैं कि फिर से ब्रांड जो कि लग्जरी कार मर्सिडीज और साथ ही लैंड क्रूजर प्राडो। लेकिन जो पता चल रहा है कि एनआईए की जो टीम है वो अब सचिन वाजे के और 2 गाड़ी को लेकर जाँच कर रही है, जिसमें से एक ब्लू मर्सिडीज है और साथ ही एक स्कोडा है। इन दोनों गाड़ी की जाँच को लेकर एनआईए की टीम काफ़ी अलर्ट है और लगातार ये जांच की जा रही है कि आखिरकार वो गाड़ी कहां पार्क की गई है और कहां पर रखी गई है। यानी एक सबसे बड़ा डेवलपमेंट हम देख रहे हैं कि ऑलरेडी 5 गाड़ी जो कि एनआईए की कस्टडी में है, लगातार जांच चल रही है। इंपॉर्टेंटली खुद जो है सचिन वाजे के लॉयर एनआईए ऑफिस के अंदर है, यानी जो कोर्ट की ओर से जो परमिशन की गई थी कि सचिन वाजे के इंट्रोगेशन के दौरान एनआईए इंट्रोगेशन के दौरान लॉयर जो है वो कुछ दूरी पर, यानी वो सिर्फ देख सकते हैं लेकिन सुन नहीं सकते हैं, इस कोर्ट के ऑर्डर के तहत जो बताया गया था। यानी सचिन वाजे का इंट्रोगेशन जो है वो अभी भी एनआईए ऑफिशियल्स की ओर से की जा रही है, उनसे पूछताछ जो है की जा रही है। लेकिन जो तस्वीरें में हम जहां पर देख रहे हैं कि लैंड क्रूजर प्राडो और ब्लैक कलर की मर्सिडीज जो कि अब यहां पर एनआईए ऑफिस में लाई गई है, इसकी भी जांच की जाएगी। लेकिन इंपॉर्टेंटली जो बताया गया है कि और 2 गाड़ी की जो है सर्चेस खुद एनआईए ऑफिशियल्स की ओर से की जा रही है, जिसमें से एक ब्लू मर्सिडीज है और दूसरी स्कोडा कार। यानी एक इम्पॉर्टेंट डेवलपमेंट, यानी ऑलरेडी 5 गाड़ी जो है जो कि एनआईए के कस्टडी में है, एनआईए जो है इसको पूरे मामले को लेकर जांच कर रही है, वही 2 गाड़ी की खोज जो है वो खुद एनआईए की ओर से की जा रही है।
Okay, stay with me. 5 cars in, search continues for 2 more cars. Now, we saw briefly the NIA team and the forensic teams there in Mumbai outside the NIA office sometime back. Yesha, they opened the trunk of that car. They seem to be pulling something out of that car and searching for something. But then perhaps because of the presence of the media and so many crews outside, they put everything back and just shut the boot and they continue to stay there. Are we expecting some action? Are they going to search these cars further? What do we know about whether Vaze was using all these cars? API Sachin Vaze, that's Assistant Police Inspector Sachin Vaze, they shock and horror about how a policeman could afford all of these cars, if at all he was using them. Yesha.
Yes, Niranjan. So what we know is, for the matter of fact, that out of these 5 cars, 2 of them, that is the black Mercedes which was bought earlier and the Land Cruiser Prada, was being used by Sachin Vaze, which is being confirmed by the NIA officials. But on the other hand, there's another car, as we can see behind. I'll ask my VJ to take you back and show you the other car that is there. The other black car, there is no, which you see on your frame, was being used by Sachin Vaze. Apart from that, one of the other cars, that is the white Innova, which is right behind this black Mercedes, was a police vehicle. Mercedes was a police vehicle, which has all been confirmed by the NIA. It was a police vehicle, and this was the same police vehicle in which the person who was driving the green Scorpio had left. As of now, what we see is just after this particular black Mercedes, the boot of this black Mercedes was open, there was a bag, a blackish bag, which they tried to remove, but then the boot was shut and there was nothing that was removed from the particular boot. And following which, one team, that is one officer from the NIA, left outside
possibly in the searches of the 2 other cars. So once the officers back getting those cars, we'd see some developments happening at this particular spot, because this is where just 2 days back several recoveries were made, several recoveries which are very important to this story. The fact that there was 5 lakh cash, the number plate of green Scorpio found from here, a counting machine, some clothes, and also a kerosene bottle that was found right from this car, the 9095 car that is parked right here, which the NIA themselves confirmed that Sachin Wazi was driving, but they didn't confirm the identity of the owner of the car. So while there's no confirmation on the identity of the owner of the car, of any of these cars, for that matter of fact, which are parked here by the NIA, but they've confirmed that among the cars that are parked here, two of these cars were being used by Sachin Wazi. One of the car was being used by police. On the other hand, the green Scorpio, which was the car which was parked near Antilla, had the gelatin sticks in it. Mansukh Hiren was the owner of the car, but Mansukh Hiren's family, that is his wife, had alleged in an FIR that it was Sachin Wazi who was using that car right from November until February. Yes, Niranjan.
Yeah, you know, the State Home Minister, that is Anil Deshmukh, the Home Minister of Maharashtra, made a very, very serious comment this afternoon. He, at an event in Mumbai, when asked a specific question about, under the circumstances under which Parambir Singh was shunted out as the Mumbai Police Commissioner, he made a big admission that they had found some serious charges against him, and that this is much bigger than what we initially thought. He said it was not a routine transfer. Here's the response of the State Home Minister. He spoke this afternoon.